to all of you. আমি আশা করি আজকের জন্য এটা একটা মানে মেমোরি ডে হবে. It's a good thing to have this kind of celebration. আমার জন্ম ছিল ডেনমার্ক, আর ডেনমার্কে অনেক কম বাংলাদেশি আছে, সো ডেনমার্কে এত প্রোগ্রাম হয় না, বাট আমি বুঝতে পারছি এখানে অনেক বাংলাদেশি আছে, সো এখানে একটা বড় কমিউনিটি আছে. So it's good to have a community, Bangladeshi community who stick together and do programs together. এটা খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট. যখন আমি বড় ছিল মানে ছোটবেলা ছিল এরকম প্রোগ্রাম ছিল না. So those of you who are here today, you should, after some years you will cherish it. You will be happy that you have these kind of programs, because I didn't have these programs when I grew up. Anyways, if there's any Malaysian VIPs here in front of me, there's His Majesty. I have one request for you. Next year is 2026. Please speak to the Malaysian Federation President. I want the Bangladesh-Malaysia match in Malaysia for the Bangladesh people in Malaysia. So if you can arrange something, I think for everyone, they will be happy, because last time I was in Malaysia, we played against Malaysia. I think half of the stadium was Bangladeshi fans. So for the Bangladeshi people, for the Bangladeshi supporters, we should give something back to them. And on behalf of your request, I think it can happen next year, inshallah. And সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ. And yeah, after this, let's take photos, ask me questions, whatever you want. Assalamu alaikum.